Kampala's population is increasing day and night. Because of this factor, the government of Uganda had to undertake a major infrastructure revamping in order to keep up with the city's development. Various studies were conducted which included the construction of Kampala's Flyover, one of the mega projects in 2023, plus road upgrades and revamping. Uganda National Roads Authority (UNRA) contracted Shimizu Konoike joint venture to start on the construction of this project plus road upgrading. The Nippon Koi 8 Japan engineering consultant are the project consultants, and their main objective were to decongest traffic along Kampala city center. This also included the construction of flyover, underpass, pedestrian bridge, and road upgrades, and junction improvement. Working on major drainage system and enlarging them in order to curb the problem of flooding in the city center. Flooding always occurs around Clock Tower, ShopRite, Nsambya Mukwan Road, and so many other areas in Kampala. Recently, the President of the Republic of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, together with the UNRA officials, visited Kampala Flyover to check on its progress. As I talk now, Kampala Flyover is now open to pedestrians and is one of the major projects that are being constructed in Kampala and in Uganda by the government of Uganda. This project is not 100% complete, but I can say that at least 90% is done and only a few percentage remaining in order to allow pedestrians and traffic to access the flyover freely. Thank you for watching. Always endeavor to click on like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for amazing videos. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos that we upload on a daily basis. Thank you and God bless you.